Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Ambire wallet application on your phone. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store or Play Store on your device. Now, at the search bar, type in Ambire wallet and click on search. Here, scroll down until you find this application. Now click on download button. You may need to verify if it is your first time downloading it. After the download is completed, click on open to use the application. You can also find the application on your home screen. Simply tap on it to use the application. So that is how you can download Ambire wallet application on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.